what's up? Welcome back to another video. Kyson's putting on a fresh graphics kit on the YZ. It's coming along. Still's got some bubbles. I mean, gonna get this thing all dialed in and then maybe hit the street ride on big bikes. A little bit of pit bikes involved, razors, a little bit of all of the above. So it should be a pretty sick video and gonna be a fun day. So let's get to it and see what we got, what comes up. Dude, these things look sick. They're kind of like the retro numbers. Whoa. Yeah, we're just gonna do the whole build at once. Then we'll go ride seat cover, graphics.
One right in the middle.
Right middle. Whoa. Little day in the dirt prep, you know?
Whoa, whoa, forward. Alright. I'm gonna go test out these graphics. See how good they look on the road. You coming, Doofus?
Wheeling, whatnot?
Yeah.
I might need to learn my nose manual.
Oh yeah. You need to learn a lot.
Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden. I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution was a plan with zero action. Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous. I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shines. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline. With me going forward, smoking cookie till we heard you taking shots. We pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive and upload it to the masses. When I pass, all my senses holographic. Life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't Linka on the Sabbath. But it's Friday and I got a few robins I need a basket. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction. We don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice.
Danon's the one that suggested a street ride and he sucks.
I forgot, I'm not very great at street riding.
Can't even do a freaking wheelie.
I was actually doing some I was probably wheeling better than him on the way here. My wheelies
no
were
one.
pretty good.
Dude, I was ripping.
But,
where else can we do some cool stuff?
Standing in the middle of the marsh, both sides taking on the drive. Praying to my pops and the gods. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much.
That wasn't cool at all.
Oh!
Dude, it scraped it.
Lever.
Did I really?
Yeah.
Damn it.
God, you suck.
Dude, I used to be able to do it so good. I don't know what changed.
It's not that hard. We're working on some nose wheelies with Tate. We suck. Let's go.
Whenever the camera's on, I can't do it, but I swear I can actually kind of do it. They're like here, this area. Whoa, I don't know.
That was like 3 feet. That was sick.
I kind of got better than, dude, it's just so slick. If it was on this textured stuff, it's a little easier.
I don't even break loose.
I know, but I'm like scared to.
How you like jump into it?
I
I
got
need
it
a tire
at least little.
sponsor.
So that is not how we were expecting the little street cruise to go. I mean, we put her on the ground, the hard ground, solid ground. So before, I think I might gear up and go ride Sand Hollow. So we're gonna put this lever on. Doesn't make a difference. It's not like it's bad, but I just don't like having half a lever. I want the full lever, so it'll look better. Other than that, I don't think we scraped. Okay, one little scrapage. But everywhere else is good. That's good. Impact was all on this lever. Took like a champ. Just, I don't know. Should live to see another day. Well, big bike street cruise ended a little early. So now we're gonna go ride some pit bikes, do some hill climbs.
There's some big hill climbs that we're gonna go find.
And
Not making it to the top.
How do you like the Razor? Love it.
It's been a great day.
We brought Ephraim. He's gonna ride the Granger.
Alright.
Think you can make it up half those hills out there?
No, it's an electric bike, dude.
Get that Larry out!
We're adding a member to the street ride. Let's go. Well, I guess hill climbs.
All or nothing at all, dude.
Dude, it's easier on those.
No, it's not. I ride bitters for a living, dude. A living, huh?
I ride pit bikes for a living.
I do.
Alright, the Grangers are sick though.
He knows,
I had
bro.
to give up any bike and give up any bike I have out of my street bike or big bike or pitter, it would be all but my pitter. I love my pitter, dude.
6. It wasn't. Hey, it wasn't an if. It was a when. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, boys. Use your legs. 1, 2, 3. Go. Holy. Oh, it's brand new. Oh my goodness. What's that? Brand new?
Tiger feeling brand new.
You got a cheap sandblaster out there, boy. He said he would never roll it. You're lucky your windshield didn't crack.
3rd drive, 4th drive, that's gonna happen.
Yeah, good thing you got. Here's your battery. For
Oh yeah.
Were you filming as it went over?
Uh-huh.
Alright, now that we got an introduction to this place. It's not where we weren't filming races yet. We're filming hill climbs on pit bikes. Mine's over there sleeping because I had to help this dude over, but we're gonna see how fast we can climb this thing and if we can.
I'm gonna go to the top.
Oh, you don't want to drive your Razor? You probably shouldn't, dude. This thing's a hazard.
That's what I'm saying. It's way better, huh?
Yeah, up that hill.
Alright, you see how it is. It's a big hill, but I think I can make it first try. Just how far do I gotta start back? If anyone's ever been here, dude, you guys know how deep the sand is. It's freaking deep.
It's sandy, and as you can tell, Utah Southern has not got any rain anytime in the last pass, so we need it, but we're gonna be doing a little race up this hill, and it's actually way harder now because it's so dry and like silt that these things barely move.
Dude,
So.
the Granger's actually gripping up here. He doesn't have
I
to
know.
This thing
just
takes the
glides.
hill climb down any day, but it's so sketchy with the
Hey,
soft
what did you say
suspension.
on the driveway?
They
I
suck.
ain't gonna make it up on an e-bike.
Alright.
Think you can make it up half those hills out there?
No, it's an electric bike, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, but there's a section of whoops
Hey.
over there that's like just whoops. You can get going 4th on a pitter and quad those things.
Oh, yeah.
They're so fun.
Dude, my pitter feels so dialed.
I can't wait for mine to be. No, this thing in the sand, like coming through when I was racing you, I'm like, yeah. But once you get like, you just have to clear on the back tire and don't even let the front tire touch.
If you guys are looking for parts, go to Faster Minis, use code PC10, get yourself a deal. I think it's capital P, capital C, 10.
All right, shall we?
All
right, here we go, boys. Got the hand in the air.
hauling ass. Everyone wants to know how the Grangers are. It's winning today. Dude, that is gnarly. Dude, you fucking get enough.
Dude, if you had the one with the taller bars.
Scraping everywhere. Here, there, and gone.
Alright, that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. There's a lot of, a variety of different things. We went on the street ride, we rode pit bikes. Ryan he just got this Razor, and he says he was never going to flip it, nothing. And you know, sure enough, happened pretty quick, huh?
Better luck next time.
Hey, it was going to happen sometime. That's what they're for, and what a trip. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for following along, and we'll see you guys next time. Later. Look under there. Check all the damage.
There's a crack in the plastic right here. And the cage.
How's the undercarriage look?
I don't know, you guys saw it.
Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there. That is